Hello everyone, welcome to Everything Credit Cards, where we use credit cards to develop good financial habits and best of all, get free stuff. If you like free stuff as much as I do, go ahead and like the video down below, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Now, for today's video topic, we're going to talk about developing news surrounding potential legislation that seeks to take away our free stuff. For anyone that's been paying attention to credit card news, the Credit Card Competition Act has been something looming over all of our rewards. This bill was introduced into the Senate by Senators Durbin and Marshall. Now, if the name Durbin sounds familiar, you would be right. The Durbin Amendment is the thing that killed debit card rewards by capping transaction fees. Capping debit card fees ultimately resulted in higher costs for consumers and larger profits for retailers. Banks responded to the loss in swipe fee revenue by raising other rates and eliminating free checking accounts and wiping away nearly all the benefits that were offered with their branded debit cards. Well, what happens next? The Credit Card Competition Act has a goal of curtailing the market power of card issuers Visa and MasterCard and would require several changes. One of them includes adding a second network to all the credit cards that are not Visa or MasterCard. This in theory lowers swipe fees, as merchants will now have the option of choosing a lower cost payment processor to use for transactions. However, as we've learned from the Durbin Amendment, if this bill passes, consumers will lose rewards and cashback programs, we will face higher annual fees, and we will be exposed to the potential of fraud through less secure networks. Up until this point, the latest we've heard about this legislation is that it would be added to a defense spending bill to skip the scrutiny of the Senate Finance Committee. For a while now, it was actually quite possible that this piece of legislation would pass because it's attached to a defense spending bill. Luckily, it seems that this has finally been removed from the defense spending bill. A spokesman from Senator Marshall's office told website payments.com that the legislation is far from dead and remains a standalone bill that's before the Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs. However, in contrast, the CEO of Max Rewards, Anik Khan, said, "I don't think this will pass. Credit card fees are expensive. We pay them too. But so is managing cash. Cost of managing cash, theft, lower spend by customer, etc. Not only do interchange fees support rewards, but they also support perks like purchase protection, insurance, chargebacks, etc. These are very popular. Politicians don't want to do something which can easily be portrayed as government taking away your card benefits. Also, if there was a real shot of this bill passing, you'd see an insane amount of ads against the bill sponsored by the card and network lobbies." So here's what I think. Until this bill gets passed, I plan to continue my push for rewards optimization. It seems like the banks aren't slowing down either with the release of US Bank's Shopper Card. There's no point in worrying about something that may or may not happen that's completely out of our control. But what do you think about this bill? Let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see more content like this, you can subscribe down below. You can also support the channel by checking out the referral links down below, like Rakuten, where you can get $30 after your first purchase. Thanks for watching. Let's go out there and get some free stuff.